Best ways to prevent foggy windows. While it might seem like a minor annoyance, persistent fog can be a sign of bigger issues, from high indoor humidity to failing window seals. There are simple ways to prevent foggy windows, and when prevention isn't enough, professional solutions are available. Common causes of foggy windows: moisture inside the home. Everyday tasks like showering, cooking, or running a humidifier add water vapor to the air. Broken or worn out seals. Once the seal around the glass breaks, moisture slips in between the panes, leaving behind fog that can't be wiped away. Poor airflow. Rooms without good ventilation trap humid air, increasing the chance of condensation. Sudden temperature shifts. In colder months, the contrast between a heated home and the chilly outdoors makes windows especially prone to fogging. Preventive measures for homeowners. Keep humidity in check. The ideal indoor humidity level is usually between 30% to 50%. Ventilate the right way. Make sure your home's fans, particularly in the bathroom and kitchen, are doing their job. Don't block your windows. Heavy curtains and blinds that stay closed all day can trap moisture against glass. Stay on top of window maintenance. If you spot a failing seal or small crack, addressing it early can save you from bigger repairs later. When prevention isn't enough. If you notice condensation between the panes of glass, that usually means the seal has failed, and no amount of wiping will help. Other warning signs include drafts coming through closed windows, water damage or warping around frames, persistent condensation, regardless of season. In cases like these, replacement or repair is often the most effective solution. At Raben Glass, we offer solutions designed to restore both the look and performance of your windows. Seal repairs and inspections to address issues early and prevent further damage. Insulated glass replacements to restore clarity and improve energy efficiency. Custom window and glass options tailored to your home style and needs. With years of experience, our team can help you enjoy clear views and a more comfortable home without the frustration of foggy glass. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.